Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another edition of EDU 600. In this video, I will discuss the Week 3 discussion post, the discussion forum for group number B or Group B. And in the group, we had Sky, Larissa, Ed.D, Victoria, Tyler, and Sarah. And I want to thank everybody for participating. There are just a couple of things I wanted to discuss moving forward, and one of them is I've had a lot of discussion, I had a lot of question about grounded theory and prior knowledge. And grounded theory is really, it's a way to develop, I guess the easiest way to say it is it's the way to develop a theory from data. And the data can be words, it can be themes, it can be ideas, it could have been generated in, analyzing text, etc. But a lot of times researchers start out with a theory and they are either trying to disprove or prove a theory. But in grounded theory, you are starting from, as the title says, from the ground up. You are taking the data and then seeing what the data gives you from that. And from there, you develop an actual theory. And another thing is prior knowledge. What is that? What does that mean when you are looking and trying to analyze research? Well, all that it is, in effect, if you could picture a literature review, it's usually the first section in a research paper where they do talk about the prior knowledge and basically what are they bringing to the table, and or what are some of the gaps that the research are looking to close. But prior knowledge is just as it says. You are bringing in the information that is known at that point into the actual research. So let me get right to it. Each one of the people did a great job. I want to say what I'd suggest is that your group had really good discussion throughout week number 3. And, week number 3 just stopped with, today is Wednesday. It ended 3 days ago. So you have a week's worth of discussion. And I have to say, you did have really good discussion on this topic. So prepping for your actual qualitative critique. And as you know, if you were in group number B, you will be using this article to write your qualitative critique, which is due next Sunday. So there is one thing that I did want to mention specifically. There was no data collection entry, and so I submitted for your review some information on the data collection. You can take a look at that. So there's no discussion at this point, but if you want to circle back, you can discuss it. What I posted, it's meant to kind of fill in the blanks of, you had one group member that did not respond, so I wanted to at least put out something for you to be able to take a look at. So moving forward with your qualitative critique, once again, what I suggest is that every group member read your post and then everybody else's post during the week. Yeah, there was great discussion. And then when you write your own paper, it is your own. It's original, meaning I don't want you to copy and paste from anybody else, but just say you did take the lead and you did, the first section. You did, excuse me. Let me go back to the topic for a second. So let's just say you did the purpose and design as Larissa did. You can read her information, you can look at the discussion that your group had, but I just don't want you to copy and paste her particular discussion into your paper. This is an original paper. The idea behind the group discussion was to have a robust discussion throughout the week, and you did. So thank you for that. So if you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, you can call me, we can set up a Zoom. Or if you want to drop into the Zoom meeting tomorrow evening at 7 p.m., you could do it there. I'm trying not to get too specific into into group A, B, or C, but feel if you have a general question, stop in and, as you start writing this, once again, it's your paper, nobody else's paper. Okay, great job, everybody, and thank you for the robust discussion with this group activity, and I look forward to seeing your papers. Bye.